Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video, I have a modern dining design for you. So far, I've shown you so many carving designs, classical designs, Victorian designs, royal furniture, deluxe furniture, but this is really a modern kind of design. Though we generally don't work on these very often, but in fact, it's a whole container and it is going to US. Client has a particular requirement for this type of unit, and we created it. I'll give you the details. This is a 4 feet dining top. I'll put the catalog on a side. 4 feet dining top, round, and height is 30 inches, 2.5 feet for a table. And then we have 4 chairs. And I'll show you a couple of things. The color of the unit is satin white with a granite look of the top. This is not granite, this is wooden top, and it's done granite finish. This is the kind of painters, the painting work we have. They've given the granite look to the wood. And let's look at the chair. Again, satin white, and this is not cushion. This is again wood, and you can see a curve here, a slight curve. This is in the original design, original picture, and the client wanted like this, and it is created as per the requirement. Looking very nice in the modern setup, and this is what we are doing also. Not entire modern furniture we are making, but yes, a couple of items we do make. And if you have requirement for something like this, you can definitely call us, contact us. We'll make something beautiful like this for you and deliver to your home. The cut, I personally have tried this. I sat on it. I'll sit on it. It's a quite comfortable thing. And a lot of people have this tradition. They don't sit on cushion while they're eating. So this could be the reason. But as client wanted, we created it. The size, the colors, the overall design, the pattern, everything. And this is now going to US in a container with a lot of other stuff. Everything is almost ready. So we'll now pack it and send it out. If you have requirement for classical furniture, Victorian furniture, or even modern furniture, the number is right here. You can contact us. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement, make it as per your choice, and deliver to your home in India or out of India where you are. The number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyawad.